Now, campus infrastructure is a little different than just an actual building. There's so many components involved. You have manholes, you have handholds, you have closets, you have entrance facilities, you have equipment. There's many ways that if you're in a campus environment that you document it. The bigger issue is that there's not a standard way. So one campus telecommunication department may document it one way. You may have a contractor come in working for that department and do it a different way. It becomes a big issue because you have a lot of different people doing it a lot of different ways, and in the end it doesn't all match up. As an end user, they receive that documentation. Typically it goes by the wayside in a matter of a year. I mean, because there's no one maintaining that. And that's the whole reason why we developed a program to address issues of not only the initial survey standardizing on it, but also on afterwards, the critical part of maintaining it.
VeriStructure is a survey documentation maintenance program. We find out what there is and where it is during the survey phases. Everything gets documented, so we have solid data of everything in every space. And from that point, we're able to properly maintain the infrastructure going forward. Every change to the infrastructure, every time a new cable is run or a space is retired and maybe moved, that all gets recorded, our infrastructure database gets updated, and it's maintained. With VeriStructure, we are able to give the customer the most up-to-the-minute look at every single telecom space that we have surveyed and documented. They're going to know exactly what they have and where it is, and they can see this information at any time. If they want to see a rack elevation or a cable schematic from a specific place in the campus, a specific space, we're able to pull that information and provide it for them immediately. It's really great for future planning, expansions and upgrades, and really just general maintenance. Even if you want to do something as simple as running a new cable, it's helpful to know what you have open, what kind of capacity you have in your core holes. VeriStructure is geared towards large facilities that are going to have a lot of ISP and OSP cabling going all over a campus. Any facility type could benefit from VeriStructure, from military to medical, college campuses, any facility that has an ISP and an OSP infrastructure, and multiple buildings.